Hello guys, it's DSPG, and today we're gonna make like a guy with a flashlight kind of script. You could use this in like a Slenderman game, or a scary game, or a puzzle game, I don't know. So first, you're gonna want to create a player, and we're gonna do this from like a bird's eye view, I guess. You know, like whenever he's looking from the top. And you're gonna make him have, if you're making a bird's eye view, make him always facing this direction. So make his arms. Doesn't have to be perfect, unless you want it to. Okay, there we have sprite 1, we're gonna name it player. And there we have first sprite. The next sprite would be, oh, I forgot something. Let's add a flashlight. Color it gray, I guess. There we go. And next sprite is going to be called light. And this is the light, basically. You're going to make something somewhat like this. You can make it different, of course, but you know, lights expand as they go out. Color that yellow, and yeah, now we're gonna need some scripts to make him able to move. So let's say forever. This is what I always do for my moving scripts. Get a bunch of those. And we're just going to use arrow keys, I guess. Up, down, right, left. So, yeah. No, that would... There we go. Actually, let's make this 5. -5. Now, Y goes up, X goes across, so if we're going up and down, we're going to need Y. So change Y by 5. Change Y by -5. Okay, put this in a forever loop so it can happen whenever we want it to. There you go. But the problem is he's always facing the same direction. So inside of forever loop, we're going to go to motion, point towards mouse pointer. So now we actually have him pointing whichever direction the mouse pointer is. And now we need to make the light, you know, go into the flashlight, sort of. So we're going to the light script. We're going to get a forever loop. Point towards mouse pointer as we did before. So you should have something looking like this. It's pointing towards the mouse pointer. And you want it to also forever go to the player. And you see that actually looks pretty bad because it's not coming out of the flashlight, it's more like coming out of the player's forehead. So to fix that, go to costumes, select this, and probably put it right there. Or no, select it, I guess. Move it this way. Put it right on that dot. And then select the player. And put the flashlight right on the dot. So there, we have a flashlight. Now, to make this flashlight able to shine on objects, we want to make it transparent, see-through, whatever you want to call it. And to do that, Scratch calls it ghost effect. So, we're going to set ghost effect to 50. To make it somewhat transparent. can see it's somewhat transparent right now. Okay, now we're gonna make a sprite to make it shine on, I guess. It will be, I don't know, just a gray block. Okay. So now we can shine our light on it and it will still appear, but the problem is, well, first let's make a black background. Let's make this work a lot better. Oh, now we can't see the player. So now you see that if you shine the light on the gray block, then it will still show. Okay, next, you want this gray block to have some scripts. So how about if else, touching gray or lights, then you want it to set its brightness to a lot more to make it, shine, glare, whatever. Brightness, let's say 50, I guess. Maybe that's too much, I don't know. Else, you want it to be practically invisible in the dark. So it would be more like -1,000, just to make sure. So, of course you can't see it, but now you can. Yeah, 50 is way too much. 30? Kind of want it to stay its original color. Let's make this light a little less transparent to make its color stand out more. This. So yeah, see, it's working now. You're just walking around and you shine your flashlight on it and you could see this object. Okay guys, that's how you make a flashlight script with a player. You can use this for like a Slenderman game, horror game, mystery game, whatever you want. That's all.